Hello everyone, welcome to Swadish from Priya. With the onset of festive season, आज कुछ मीठा बनाते हैं. Let's quickly make some sweet dish. So आज हम लोग बनाएंगे Black Forest cake. Let's celebrate the friendship day with a Black Forest cake. So let's start cooking. Black Forest cake बनाने के लिए we need chocolate sponge cake. मैंने अपने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि चॉकलेट स्पॉन्ज केक कैसे बनाते हैं, तो फॉर दैट यू कैन रेफर टू वीडियो ऑफ चॉकलेट ट्रफल केक. सिमिलर वे आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड दिस चॉकलेट स्पॉन्ज केक एंड कट इनटू 3 layers. सो नाउ वी हैव टू पुट sugar syrup on this chocolate base. So let's start preparing the sugar syrup. Sugar syrup बनाने के लिए we will take 6 spoons of sugar, half cup of water, now since we are making Black Forest cake we have to put some cocoa powder in the sugar syrup. ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक बनाने के लिए वी नीड ओनली द टिन्ड चेरी एंड whipped cream for doing the layering and some choco chips. So that is the only ingredients required for making Black Forest cake apart from the chocolate base which we have to make and this sugar syrup. So ये sugar syrup बन रहा है हमारा. Let it boil for some time. So this sugar syrup is ready. Now we will put it on cake. Now we have put this sugar syrup on the cake. Now we have to put whipped cream on this. For that we have to beat the cream. We have to beat the cream from beater. This is beater and we have to use these hands for the beater. It goes like this. We have to just fix it. And for beating we are taking this Tropolite non-dairy cream, whipped cream. We have to beat it for 10 to 15 minutes in a AC room. Or if you don't have a AC, then you can take a few ice in a bowl and keep the cream bowl on that and then beat it so that your cream doesn't get melt. So now we will start beating the cream. We have taken this cream in the bowl. It is almost half of the box. It is a 1 liter box. We have taken almost half of the cream. Now we have to beat it for 10 to 15 minutes. See, this is how the cream gets beat. अभी इसको थोड़ा और करना है. We will do 5 more minutes. Then it will be ready for layering. Now we have to layer the cream on the cake. So slowly we will layer the cream. Now we have to put a layer of cherries. This is how we have to put. You can put more cherries, less cherries as per your taste. Some choco chips in between. And then we will top it up with the another layer of sponge cake. So this is done. Now we have to top it with the another layer of the sponge cake. This is, now we have to layer this with the sugar syrup. I have already put sugar syrup. Now again we will put cream on this. ये देखिए सेकंड लेयर पे भी हमने उसी तरीके से चेरीज एंड चोको चिप्स लगा दिए हैं. Cherries generally we used tinned cherry, so it will be sweetened. So now on top of this we will put another layer of cake and another layer of cream. Now we have to cover this cake with cream. So we will put entire cream on this and we will spread this. So like this we have to cover the entire cake with cream and we have to smooth it. So it's a 4 kg cake. We have to cover this portion also. Little bit chocolate base is visible. See, this way we will cover the entire cake with the cream. पूरे केक को क्रीम से एकदम कवर कर देंगे. अब इसके बाद मैंने ये whipped cream इस पाइपिंग बैग में ली है with this flower nozzle and we will make small flower. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will put cherries on this. Now we will do the fencing of the cake. For that I have taken this butter paper and I have cut along as much as the periphery of the cake is so that it can be surrounded the cake. Now this is melted chocolate. I have melted it without any milk, just dark chocolate. We have to melt it. Now we will do the fencing. Now we have to stick to the cake properly. Now we have to keep this cake in the freezer for 2 minutes so that chocolate get fixed. अब हम लोग ये फ्रीज से मैंने निकाल लिया है. अब इसको धीरे धीरे ऐसे एकदम delicately we have to remove it so that chocolate should not get breaked. See, एकदम धीरे धीरे ये अपने आप आ जाएगा. Don't put much pressure, otherwise chocolate will break. Be delicate, okay? So this is our black forest cake ready. It looks yummy. अगर आपको ये ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक की रेसिपी अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी यू कैन कमेंट ऑल्सो. आई विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट. थैंक यू वेरी मच.